Hi, welcome to our channel. First of all, thanks for watching our videos. Ever since Windows 10 launched, there was several features later updated. Today I am showing Windows 10 features, tips and tricks. The first feature, Snipping Tool. Snipping Tool is a handy app taking snapshot on your screen. Go to Start menu, then type Snipping Tool, open. You can see here mode. Here free from snip, rectangular snip, window snip, full screen snip. You can select whatever you want. I am selecting rectangular snip. Now you can drag the cursor around the area that you want to capture, like this. Now if you want highlighter, then like this. There is rubber. You can click on that. Erase. Here is file. There you can see new snip, save as, send to. You can send to someone from here. The same time, here is print button also. If you want to print, you can print this one. It's very easy to share your screen with others. Second feature is Arrow Shake and Snap. Windows 10 brings new capability to manage on your Windows desktop. If you grab Windows and shake it, it minimizes everything behind it. If you shake it again, it's bring back. You can also take the window and bubble to the top. If you want to arrange multiple windows, it's also possible now. Third feature is reset the PC. Occasionally some problem with Windows 10. Sometimes we need to reinstall. Instead of doing reinstall, we can reset the PC. Go to Start menu, Settings, Update and Security, Recovery. You can see here, reset the PC, get started. There we can enable two options. We can keep our files there, or else we can remove everything. The fourth one is spatial sound. Give your computer easy upgrade with spatial sound. On your Windows 10, go to speaker. On your right bottom side, right click. Then you can see spatial sound. There is, you can see Dolby Access also. But Dolby Access need to download. So we can choose this one, Windows Sonic for headphones. After, you can feel how it will be changed. Fifth feature, step recorder. Step recorder is the feature in Windows. It's help to record your action and translate into a handy document. You can save and share it very easily. Go to Start menu and type Steps Recorder. Open. Try to start record. Do something. Open browser. And move the browser around. After that, you can stop record. Then you can see this file contains all the steps and information that was recorded by step. You can see, scroll down, steps, it's really handy. Make somebody try to show what you are doing. It's interesting thing. Media streaming. Media streaming allows to share your videos, photos, music on other people on local network. Just go to internet access, right click, open network and internet settings. Network and sharing center. You can see media streaming option. Click on that. Allow all. Storage sense. Help to get rid of junk file. When you are going low space, go to settings, system, storage. You can see here storage, it's enabled. Configure storage sense. Storage sense can automatically free up space by getting rid of the file you don't need, like temporary files and content in your recycle bin. Edge reading view. Did you know when Edge replaced with Explorer, There is a new option enabled. Go to it, open. Then you can see there is reading view option. Just click on that. Now you can see here is readable form. Next page, next page, next page. The next feature is hidden start menu. Windows has hidden start menu. Right click on start menu. You can see there is so many applications, apps and features, mobility center, power option, event viewer, system, device manager, task manager, settings. Just click on that if you want to go and open that one. Last one is default up. Sometimes people wrongly load wrong up. If you want to fix that one, just go to start menu, settings, apps, default up, here you can see there is choose a default. Click on that. Here you can see I hope your people enjoy this video. Thanks for watching our videos. Please subscribe and share our channel.